Place the return base cabinet and next cabinet in position. Measure the distance between the return cabinet and the next cabinet. Adjust distance until correct. Then check the height of the two cabinets is level. Adjust feet heights until cabinets are perfectly aligned. Use a spirit level to check the level. To install the infill, the flush infill will be flush with the front of the door on the cabinet. Measure the gap between the return cabinet and the next cabinet. Mark these measurements on the infill. Double check measurements, cut to size, and check that the infill fits within the space. Screw the support to the infill panel at even increments using 28mm screws. Remove the protective plastic coating. Note, not all products have this coating. If your product does not, skip this step. Align infill so the support is flush with the carcass. Screw infill to cabinet from the inside of the second cabinet into the support. Place the screws to the front of the hinge plate so that they will be hidden when the door is on. Measure the midpoint of the infill on the end panel attached to the return unit. Measure and mark out this distance on the internal of the base return cabinet. Using 45mm screws, screw from the inside of the cabinet through to the other cabinet to secure in place. Once cabinets have been secured to each other, secure them to the wall. How the cabinet is attached to the wall depends on the wall type. See our hardware and fixing guide for more details.